Hello guys, welcome to Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. If you want to convert your long URL to short URL, this video is very important for you because today I will share how to convert long URL to short URL. So let's go. At first, you type free URL shortener and enter here. Then you can see this website at first. I am enter this website. Then you can look like this interface. Now I take a long URL from YouTube. Okay, copy the link and paste here. Then click shorten URL. Okay, you can see the new link have created, and now I am copy the URL, paste here. You can see already long URL converted to short URL. Again copy the short URL and I will check, paste here, enter. Okay, you can see my short URL work well. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.